Although the presence of the French military's VAB, Véhicule de l'Avant blind, is gradually being replaced by the new Griffon ranpur, Arquus, formerly Renault Defence, does not necessarily kill the armored VAB. The VAB armored family, 4x4 and 6x6, is legendary, having served since 1976 and producing 5,000 units. Used in 19 countries around the world including Indonesia by the Indonesian Army. In addition, the VAB armored vehicle has also been heavily involved in actual warfare or received a proven battle stamp. With this fact, Arquus tried to maintain the big name of VAB by giving birth to its more modern successor VAB Mk3, using the company's own funds. VAB Mk3, third generation, is a further development of the VAB Mk2 which did not get the market response. The VAB Mk3 prototype began to be shown to the public in 2012 by showing a 6x6 configuration version. Although it still bears the VAB name, the VAB Mk3 is actually a completely new design vehicle, not an upgrade or modernization of an existing vehicle. The Mk3 VAB has added a level of protection and mobility, and can carry more payload than the classic VAB. The level of ballistic protection is resistant to machine gun shells up to 14.5 mm caliber, and can survive the explosion of mines or IEDs. The vehicle has an overall dimension of 6.7 meters, 2.55 meters wide and 2.2 meters high, and weighs close to 20 tons. The propulsion uses a Renault DC7 diesel engine with a power of about 340 horsepower. With a maximum speed of 105 km per hour and an operating range of 890 km. As a personnel carrier, APC, the VAB Mk3 cabin can accommodate 13 personnel, consisting of the commander, driver, gunman, and 10 troops. For self-defense and combat, the VAB Mk3 can be equipped with a remote control gun turret, RCWS, with a choice of a 25-30mm cannon or a 7.62 12.7mm caliber machine gun. In addition to the APC version, Arquus also offers infantry fighting vehicle, AFV, versions, command and control vehicles, patrol and reconnaissance vehicles, and armored ambulances. The VAB Mk3 itself has yet to get customers, but Arquus is still actively selling it, including at the Eurosatory International Defense Exhibition, June 2022 in Paris.